Finance Minister P. Chidambaram has reacted to Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi's speech by countering Modi's claims of growth rate during the NDA regime. Chidambaram says that Modi's claims of the growth rate during Vajpayee government being 8.4% are false. Chidambaram has said that nothing can be further from the truth. Meanwhile, Chidambaram's remarks have triggered a massive political fight. So we do have that reaction from Yashwant Sinha where he has taken on Chidambaram and saying that Chidambaram is doing terrorism with facts.
Chidambaram was my immediate predecessor as finance minister. You ask him what was the growth rate between 97-98. The growth rate was 4.8%. You know. And in the first 2 years, we raised the growth rate. Then we had very bad monsoons in a couple of years where the growth rate went down below 5% because agricultural production had almost collapsed. But then the growth rate picked up, and when we demitted office, the growth rate was 8.6%. You see, so what does it show? Chidambaram is doing terrorism with facts. We had inherited an economy, the growth rate of which was 4.8%. We left an economy when it was growing at 8.6%. The momentum continued because of the reforms which had been carried out during our period, because these people mishandled everything. So therefore the growth rate is now 4.8%. And people are projecting, saying very clearly, all those who don't belong to BJP also, they are saying that we are in for sub 5% growth rate for quite a few years to come. It is not an accident, despite what these people might say. So it is, Chidambaram is taking the averages and comparing this average with that average, you know. This is nothing but jugglery of figures. I'll ask another question of Chidambaram, and that is, you are very happy comparing the growth rate between our period and their period. Why don't you compare the inflation rate? Please compare the inflation rate of the 9 years of the UPA regime and the 5 or 6 years of the Vajpayee era.